Ah, that was so much fun. Dinner is really good as well. I'm gonna go to my room now. Finally get to relax and do my CPU. Hi, my name is Rose, and I'm just a young toucan, and let me delete that. Dear Diary. Okay, let's try that again. Dear Diary. Hi, my name is Rose, and I'm a young girl, and I wish to have a peaceful day. Just got back from dinner, and now finally on my computer. All incoming! Oh, you messed up my diary. Now we don't have peace. I just told my diary that as well. Ugh. This is my older brother laughing. Really annoying, always cool, and always disturbs me. Ugh. Do you really think I would care if I messed up your diary? Well, I care, and I don't care if you care about it. It's just my business. Yeah, my business. Guys, can you please keep it down in there? I am trying to read my book peacefully. Sorry, Mom. Tyler just. Blah, 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 blah. Why do I always get mixed up with names? Sorry, Mom. He just bumped into me, and I was all busy. Okay. Laughing, don't bother your sister. Okay. Thank you. Now back to reading my book. I'm out. Okay, bye. I'll be outside. Don't ruin my peacefulness. It's so beautiful out, but it's getting cold now.